Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Many users receive a WhatsApp message, and before they can open it, the sender deletes it. WhatsApp then shows this message was deleted, and you are left wondering what was written. Look, we received a message, but before we could see it, it got deleted, and now it is not visible anymore. Now to see the deleted message, open Settings on your phone. Tap on Notifications. Now tap on Notification History. Make sure Notification History is turned on. If it is already enabled, your phone has been saving recent notifications. Once this feature is active, your phone keeps a log of incoming messages. When a WhatsApp message arrives, its content is saved as a notification. Even if the sender deletes the message later, the notification text can still be viewed here. Look for the WhatsApp notification related to the deleted message. Here, you can read the message exactly as it appeared when it was first received. This method does not require installing any third-party app. Using notification history is helpful when you want clarity and avoid confusion. It also keeps your phone safe without giving access to unknown apps. Like the video if it helped. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more WhatsApp fixes and phone troubleshooting tips.